students, as you have seen, I am giving you handwritten notes of BBA and LLB. So like, comment and subscribe my channel so that you can watch my latest videos. In the previous video, I have explained rights of the bailee and duties of the bailor. Today we learn about rights of the bailor and the termination of bailment. The students who are watching my today's video, they must watch my previous video so that they can understand bailment chapter in detail. Don't skip the video because if you skip it, then you cannot understand. So let's start today's lecture. So, rights of the bailor. First is enforcement of bailee's duties. Second is right to terminate bailment if the bailee uses the goods wrongfully. Third is right to demand return of goods at any time in case of gratuitous bailment. So, first is enforcement of bailee's duties. Always remember that duties of bailor are the rights of the bailee and the duties of bailee are the rights of the bailor. So, if one has the duty, then other has the right. So, here, duties of the bailee are the rights of the bailor. There are 5 duties here. So, first is right to claim damages for loss caused to the goods bailed by bailee's negligence. Next is compensation for unauthorized use by the bailee. Next, compensation when the bailee mixes the goods bailed with the own goods. Next, right of return of goods back. Next, right to profit from goods bailed. So, these all are the duties of the bailee. So, duties of the bailee are the rights of the bailor. So, these points I have explained deeply in my previous video. So, watch my previous video to know these points deeply. Second is right to terminate bailment if the bailee uses the goods wrongfully. In this, the bailor has the right to terminate the bailment if the bailee does, with regard to the goods bailed, any act which is inconsistent with the terms of the bailment, although the terms of the bailment has not expired or the purpose of bailment has not been accomplished. One example is there. A gives on hire to B a horse for his own riding. B drives the horse in his carriage. The contract of bailment is voidable at the option of A. Next is right to demand return of goods at any time in case of gratuitous bailment. In this, when the goods are lent without reward, the bailor can demand their return whenever he pleases, even though he lent them for a specified purpose or time and the bailee is not guilty for wrongful use. But in this, if the premature return of goods causes the bailee loss in excess of benefit actually derived by him from the use of such goods, the bailor must indemnify the bailee for the amount in which the loss occasion exceeds the benefit derived. So, here we have completed rights of the bailor. So, in bailment chapter, last topic is termination of bailment. So, termination simply means cancellation of a contract. So, here a contract of bailment terminates under the following circumstances. First is on expiry of the period. In this, if the bailment is for a specified period, the bailment terminates as soon as the stipulated period expires. Second is on achievement of object. If the bailment is for a specific purpose, the bailment terminates as soon as the purpose is fulfilled. Third is inconsistent use of goods. If the bailee does an act with regard to the goods bailed which is inconsistent with the terms of the bailment, the bailment may be terminated by the bailor even though the terms of bailment has not expired or the purpose of bailment has not been accomplished. Next is destruction of subject matter or incapable of use for the purpose of bailment. Next is gratuitous bailment. A gratuitous bailment can be terminated by the bailor at any time, even before the specified time or before the purpose is achieved, subject to the limitation that where such termination causes loss in excess of benefit actually derived by the bailee, the bailor must indemnify the bailee for the amount in which the loss occasioned exceeds the benefit derived. This is explained under section 159 of Indian Contract Act. Next is death of the bailor or the bailee. When there is a death of the bailor or the bailee, it simply means that it terminates the contract of bailment. So now we have completed bailment chapter. So if you like my video, then like, comment and subscribe my channel so that you can watch my latest videos. If you have any problem related to this topic or any other topic, you can contact me. In the description box, I have given you all links where you can drop message to me so that I can help you to solve your problem. So see you soon in the next video with new topic. Thank you.